Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change language on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. In order to do this, you're gonna have to use your phone that is linked to your Apple Watch. On this phone, open the app library and search for the watch application. Once you find it, open it and then scroll down to General section, open it and scroll to the language and region option, then tap on it and then change Mirror My iPhone to custom, and right now you can move one of the languages you have on the list to the top by dragging it. First of all, you have to hold down the right side of this option, and this way you can move it to the top. So for example, if you move this one to the top, it will change the language on your Apple Watch to the Spanish in case you click continue, but it will require your Apple Watch to restart. Additionally, you can select add language if you don't have your language on the list, and then select one of these languages from this list. And once you do that, you're gonna let's add German. And once you do that, the language will be applied, except for you only have to wait until your Apple Watch is restarted. So right now let's wait to see how it works. Okay, and right now the language has changed. If we go to the App Center, maybe you will see it, and as you can see, the German language is now set up on this Apple Watch. Now to change it back to English, move the English to the top of the list and then click continue, and then wait until the language is changed. Okay, and as you can see, it works perfectly fine. So that's basically how you do it. That's how you change language on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.